Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Grindr account, follow these step-by-step instructions to add a verified badge to your profile and increase trust with other users. Step 1. Open the Grindr app on your smartphone and log in to your account using your credentials. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the app to access your profile page. Step 3. Look for the verification option, which is typically indicated by a shield icon or a Get Verified badge on your profile. Step 4. Tap on Verify My Profile or the verification badge to begin the verification process. Step 5. Grindr uses facial recognition technology for verification. You'll be prompted to take a real-time selfie following specific instructions. Step 6. Hold your phone at arm's length and position your face within the frame as indicated by the on-screen guide. Ensure good lighting and remove any accessories that might obstruct your face. Step 7. Follow the prompts to move your face or head in specific directions. This helps Grindr confirm you're a real person and not using a pre-recorded video or static image. Step 8. Take the selfie when prompted. Make sure your face clearly matches your profile photos. Step 9. Grindr will process your verification submission using automated facial recognition technology. This usually takes just a few seconds to a few minutes. Step 10. Once approved, a verification badge will appear on your profile, indicating to other users that your account has been verified. This badge helps establish trust and authenticity on the platform. Step 11. If your verification is unsuccessful, review your profile photos to ensure they clearly show your face. Then try the verification process again with better lighting and a clearer selfie. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.